Hey Vogue. Hey Vogue. Hey Vogue. Wait, you're not Vogue.
Who are you?
Hey guys, it's Breanna. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my daily makeup look. Call it daily makeup. I don't wear it every day. I start with eyeliner first. The eyeliner that I use is the Stay Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. I have hooded eyes and I also have greasy eyelids, so most of the time when I use eyeliner it kind of just comes off. This doesn't. So we're gonna be doing this first just in case I mess up and I'm able to wipe it off. I've already messed up. This is what I done. Now I try to make it match. For me, eyeliner, not twins, not even sisters, not even cousins. They're kind of just like friends that kind of look alike but not really. I also do this fun little bat wing, and that's because again I have hooded eyes. I just kind of draw the line there and then that happens. Put it on and I hate it, so I take a Q-tip and I wipe it all off. Also, all my Q-tips are used with spit. It's nature's makeup remover. The only reason that I'm somewhat decent at eyeliner is because when I was in high school, I constantly practiced my eyeliner. I also lived by the thought, if I was wearing glasses, people didn't look at my eyeliner, they looked at my glasses. They can be as uneven as ever, but no one's looking at it, they're looking at my glasses. That helped a lot. Now they're uneven. I like this one more than this one. Boom! I don't hate it today. Normally I just go, dear God, please let this eyeliner look good. And then sometimes I'm blessed and sometimes I'm not. Now we are going to go on to face stuff. Usually I prime my face. However, I have no idea where mine went. I've been using this Wet n Wild tinted hydrator. I heard about it over on TikTok. I've honestly just been wearing this as concealer. So I just kind of dot it there, dot it here, and dot it there. Around my nose, wrist on the chin, maybe a little bit extra. Boom. I'm not really the biggest fan of foundation. When I was in like 9th grade, I used to wear foundation a lot more. And my brother, who I used to ride to school with, was like, hey, why do you cover up your freckles? And I was like, that's a good point. Why do I do that? And ever since then, I've really just worn concealer. To set everything, I've been using this, which is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Loose Powder. I've been using it for years. I don't necessarily love it. I don't like the smell of it. I only really use it because it's expensive and I don't want to say that I wasted my money. So I'm trying to use all of it. Next, I add some color to my face. I'm using the Hoola bronzer. It's crazy to me that I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I remember when I was younger and making YouTube videos, a lot of people used to be like, oh, what kind of videos do you make? Do you make like makeup videos? And I'd always be like, no. As a young girl making content, everyone kind of just assumes that you're making makeup videos as if doing makeup is the only thing that we're good at. But I hate to break it to you, I'm not good at doing makeup. I'm actually really bad at it. But I kind of just fake it and I wear it with confidence, and that's really all you can do. Next, I do some blush. I've been liking blush a lot more. When I was younger, I used to never wear it, and I think it's because my mom used to wear it all the time and it kind of freaked me out. She was aggressive with it. She just beat the shit out of her face with it. For the most part, I concentrate my blush up here. I put some on my nose. My best friend Margarita was like, I put blush on my nose, kind of like where contour would be. Margarita used to be very influenced by e-girls when it came to makeup, so I take their advice. I will take this highlighter in the shade Cookie and I put it aggressively on my nose. I come from the era of like highlighting to the gods, looking like a glazed donut. You know what I'm talking about, and if you don't, you're lucky. I'm gonna curl my lashes now. Let's do some mascara. Oh, also, do you guys like my shelf? I hung this up recently and I really like it. I don't really know what to put down here, but I'll figure it out one day. That's where I can put my wet wipes. I was a kid that used to be obsessed with trying new mascaras every week just because someone posted like a just girly things. Another beauty tip that I learned, buy drugstore mascara. Drugstore mascara just gets the job done. You just have to find the one that's right for you. When I do my brows, I mainly just use Glossier's Boy Brow. Tend to just brush them up and then sometimes redirect them with my finger. Push it down. I usually hate lip stuff. I'm a lip oil, lip stain kind of girly, but this This has been my holy grail for the past couple of weeks. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner and the REM Beauty lipstick in Drive-In Movie. I'm gonna just go and smudge it. And then with this, also, this is the softest, oh look at me like a beauty guru. This is the softest looking lipstick ever. That's how I apply it most of the time, and then I wipe some of it off. I don't love lip products, but I also don't want to look like I don't have any lips. I wipe too much off. I put too much on. This is nothing good. Why did I do this? But for the most part, that's really all that I do. It's nothing fancy. It's nothing crazy. It gets the job done and it stays all day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, well, hopefully you'll like the next one. So subscribe down below and I'll see you soon. Bye!